What if I told you the Dodge Neon is making a comeback, and it's more aggressive than ever? You won't believe what they're doing to it this time. The iconic Dodge Neon, once known for being a simple, budget-friendly car, is rumored to be returning in 2025, but not how you remember it. This time, it's got a sportier, more muscular attitude, especially with a potential SRT4 version in the works. So, what's Dodge cooking up with the new Neon? Let's break it down. For years, compact car lovers who crave performance have had limited options. The market's either full of practical but boring sedans or sporty, high-priced alternatives. The Neon's return could be the answer to that gap if Dodge gets it right. Rumors suggest Dodge is taking a page from its muscle car playbook with this new Neon, giving it a wide-body design like the Charger SRT Hellcat. Think larger vents, bolder styling, and aggressive aerodynamics. This isn't the same Neon from the early 2000s. The SRT4 version is expected to bring back some serious performance, blending power with practicality in a way that could redefine the compact segment. But here's the catch: Dodge hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. No solid details on horsepower, torque, or even the engine specs. Everything's still a guess. However, with design renderings showing a much sportier look, it's clear Dodge wants the Neon to compete with performance compacts while giving drivers something practical for daily use. The big question remains, will the new Neon live up to the hype? If Dodge delivers the performance and design people are expecting, this could be a game changer for anyone looking for an affordable but exciting compact car. So, while we don't know all the details just yet, one thing's for sure, the 2025 Dodge Neon could be one of the most interesting cars to watch for. It's not just coming back, it's coming back with a purpose.